Hello everyone, it's a demonstration drive for a test route. Most of the learners, they are uncomfortable, they cannot pass it, so I decided to do a demonstration drive. It's a Shield Hall driving test center and the route is through the Clyde Tunnel. I'm going to drive and I will talk through meanwhile I'm driving, and hope you guys will get some help from that. Okay, so I'm going to move off from here. I've engaged the gear D, all round checking. Right blind spot, I cannot see properly. I'm going to give a signal, move tiny bit forward so I can see properly in the mirror, and blind spot as well.
After 50 yards, bear left.
I'm gonna follow the main road round left, so mirror check and no giving signal because that's the main road. I can see someone is coming, so I will slow down so they can pass easily. They are getting wider. I'm gonna go a little slower and following the edge of the curb. After this bend, I'm going to increase my speed. Normally I do not give this speedometer number, but when I was at the bend my speed was 5 miles per hour. I'm going to give the speed here so the people can understand. Next road, it says turning left.
Turn left.
Center mirror check. Left mirror check.
Go left on
Signal
the
left.
and take the first
Start
exit.
little slow down to look
Road.
right. My speed is around 8 miles per hour, so I can look right and back to my track and steer to the left hand side. Approaching to a roundabout, I need to listen what the sat nav is saying. I can see it says turning left, so I can check my mirrors now. It is safe.
After 100
Signal.
yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Then turn right.
Okay, first
Go
exit,
left
then
on the
turn left.
roundabout
Sorry,
and
turn
take the
right.
First exit.
Looking to the right hand side, a vehicle is approaching. Little
Then
slow down.
turn right.
My speed is around 10 miles per hour. Start giving gas now. Okay, it was saying that after turning this left, I'm going to turn right. I can see it's a 500-yard arrow says turn right. I'm going to check my mirrors now. No need to give signal. I'm going to change my lane. My speed is around 24 miles per hour. I'm going to increase gradually. 26 it is now. 27 it is now. So 27, 28 is the good speed according to the speedometer on the car, but I'm following the speedometer on my car that I installed myself. So traffic lights, I'm turning right. So center right mirror check, it is safe. Signaling right. Start gentle braking.
Turn right.
I'm going to approach slowly, showing the brake lights earlier. Going to stop at the stop line. I need to scan the road that I'm going in. If I'm unable to see because of the pillar on my right hand side, this A pillar on my right hand side, I can move my body forward and back so I can see better. This is what you guys learn in theory test. If you are unable to see while you are turning left or right, especially right turn, and there is a bend or there is a turning from major to minor road, you are unable to see, you move your body forward and back, so a motorbike can easily hidden behind this A pillar in front of me right hand side. So I'm pointing this way, this one. So that's why I need to look right hand side as well. Okay, I'm going to tell myself when the lights will change. My lights, what time they are going to, when they are going to change. I can clearly see the green man is on. It means that if the green man people are allowed to cross, I'm not allowed to go. I can see the red man now, so I can get prepared now. So all three mirror check. I'm checking any cyclist or motorbike trying to pass me either side. If they're trying to do that, I will let them go. So start moving slowly. I've got filter light, so they will not come oncoming vehicles. So start looking into the road. Start steering, looking into the road. Bend is going towards right hand side. And I'm gonna stay on the right hand side. My speed is 11 miles per hour now. Normally you don't give speedometer speed number, but 11. It says oncoming vehicles in the middle of the road, so I need to be careful. A big lorry could be coming. So still following the edge of the curb. If I'm not sure, then I move my body forward so I can see. Okay, it's clear now. Start increasing my speed now. My speed is around 16, 17, 19, 21, 22,
After
23,
yards,
24,
and take the
25, 26, 27. That's a good speed, my speedometer. So straight ahead, second exit, checking all three my mirrors.
Cross the
It is
roundabout
safe.
and take the second exit.
No road marking on the roundabout, so I'm going to use this area. So center mirror and left mirror, signal left, 13 miles per hour speed, looking right mirror, safe, 13 miles, 14, 15, signal off, 20, 21,
After
23,
200 yards, cross the
27.
roundabout and take the third
it is
exit.
now,
Fifth and
28,
Hedges Road.
29, so that's good. So straight ahead, third exit it is, so all three
Cross the
mirrors check,
roundabout
especially center and
take
left.
the third exit.
So let us slow down because I need to steer to the left hand side. Doesn't matter it is clear or not. So I'm just going to steer 13 miles per hour my speed, 11, 10. So I'm going to use this area, leaving enough room on my right hand side so a big truck can pass. So center and left mirror now check, signal left, quick side mirror check, side glance as well. So making sure no one is overtaking me at the roundabout. Mostly people overtake and they go straight ahead. They do not go left, follow the edge of the curb. Okay, the next roundabout coming up, third exit straight ahead. My speed is around 27 miles per hour on my speedometer, which is correct, around 29. So third exit straight ahead, all three mirrors check, center and left especially. Slowing down, my speed is now 15 miles per hour, 14, looking right. A car is coming, I'm not sure, so he's going away. So I'm going to enter with 5 miles per hour speed, 7, 8, 9. First exit, second exit, checking my center left mirror. Meanwhile, right mirror and right blind spot and signal left. Gradually increase my speed. My speed is around 13, 14, 15, 16. Next roundabout turning left, first exit. Mirrors check and signal. It is safe. My speed is 19 miles per hour. I'm going to reduce my speed. 18, 16, 15, looking right, people coming, so I'm going to go more slow this car will go, and I will gradually increase my speed, staying my left hand side. That car on my right hand side is coming, so I will increase my speed. Center and right mirror check and signal right, so I can see the vehicle behind. I will quick glance behind, so it is safe. My speed is 26, 27. Okay, it's speed changing 40 miles per hour. So I can increase my speed. I want to change my lane mirror signal. No one is joining me from the left hand side, so I can start moving slowly. If someone is joining, I will go further down and then come back to the lane 1. There is a joining on the left hand side. People coming out from the motorway, they come very fast. So my speed is 36 miles per hour. Right now 38. No one is joining. I can scan the road, so I'm okay to 39. 40 miles per hour now, 39. So checking my center mirror, judging the speed and distance of the vehicle behind. No one is behind me. I can see ahead, speed is changing. I'm checking my center mirror, off gas. Little brake now. My speed is 34, 33, 32, 29 before this 30. So 27, 28. I will maintain it. So it is now. Someone is joining on my left hand side. It is 27 now. So that's good speed. 28, that's acceptable. I'm talking about my speedometer, which is digital one. On analog speedometer like dashboard, it's 30 miles per hour. So 28 miles per hour speed. First and third sign telling me first 30 miles per hour speed, third sign no overtaking. So my speed will increase. So far it is 25, 26, 27. A little brake now. Keep that pressure on brake. It is 27. So double solid line in the middle of the road says do not change your lane. Second time telling you not change your lane. My speed is 27 miles per hour. On the road it is written do not, like I say, stay in your lane. So my speed is 26. I'm going to increase my speed gradually now. Start giving gas. I need more gas. 28 it is now. 29 it is now. 28. I'm going to fix the speedometer, fix the pressure on gas here. 27 it is. Little bit more pressure on gas. So 28 now again. Okay, once again it says stay in your lane on my right hand side. Sat nav says to you stay right hand side. So So do not
Right.
take the
Then
exit left.
Turn left.
29 miles per hour speed. Speed is changing ahead, 40 miles per hour. I'm checking the center right mirror. No one is overtaking me before I increase my speed. My speed is now 32, 34.
After 300
I need to check no one is joining on
yards,
my
turn
left hand
left.
side.
Victoria Park
Looks
Drive
that it is
North.
okay.
Then
No one is
turn
coming.
right.
35 miles per hour now. Next road I'm going to turn left and then immediately turn right. Mirrors check now, it is safe.
Turn left.
Signals
Then
start showing this
turn
guy
right.
brake lights because he's following me so closely. So showing him brake lights earlier so he can slow down behind me. That's what the purpose of this center mirror check while you are going to slow down. If you see the road is clear and you check your center mirror, someone is behind and you are slowing them down, you're not increasing your speed, that means you need to increase your speed when the road is clear. And when the road is not clear, you have to slow down or stop. So you see someone is following you so closely, so you start showing them brake lights. I am allowed to go left hand side, but unfortunately there's not enough space. I'm not controlled by these traffic lights because there is no set of traffic lights here, only that one, and there's no stop line here. I can see there's a giveaway there. My speed is 4 miles per hour, looking right hand side, looking back to my track, right, back to my track. My speed is 4 miles per hour. Think about you guys, how much you guys do. Next right mirror check and signal. My speed is 9 miles per hour. I'm not increasing my speed, 13 miles per hour now. So looking ahead and scanning the road right, is that clear before I enter? Yes, it is clear. I can go now. Pull up and park on the left hand side nearby the secondary. Mirrors check and signal left now. Start getting my position near to the edge of the curb. I'm not using brake, I'm still using gas to move my car. So I'm going to use gas to stop my car. My car is stopped, I'm still using the gas pedal. I'm going to use this parking brake and I will leave the gas pedal. Signal off. Okay, move off when you're ready. Brake to D. All round observations. All round check. Right blind spot and ahead. Right mirror check as well. Center mirror check, ahead, right mirror, right blind spot again. Signal because there is a road behind me. I'm taking my time, I'm not rushing. I will move my foot quickly from brake pedal to gas. Again check my blind spot and gas. Look, my car does not roll back. So because I move my foot quicker. Okay, my speed is 7 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour, 9 miles per hour. Think about you guys, how much you guys do. It's 8 miles per hour still. I'm not increasing more than that. So
After 200 yards,
I cannot see
turn
the giveaway
left,
lines. Yeah, I can
right
see the
around.
giveaway lines in the corner now. So I'm just going to move forward so this guy can come. My speed is 2 miles per hour. I cannot see. I will move forward. I cannot see. I will move little forward. My speed is 0 miles per hour. Move tiny bit forward, looking right ahead, left. I cannot see. Move tiny bit more forward. I can see right hand side, ahead. I cannot see clearly left hand side. Little bit more forward. I can see clearly now. If any car comes now, I will stop here. Or maybe sometimes they will flash and give me way. Now I can clearly see both sides and ahead as well. It is clear. So I'm just going to move away now. This is only to demonstrate you guys to understand. Otherwise, I will not take much time to wait. Look, I will go like the way that I go, but after sure that it is clear, I will not wait. My speed is 10 miles per hour. Think again how much you guys do here. My speed is going to reduce now. I'm going to reduce it because there's a too tight space
After
now.
70 yards,
My speed
turn
is
left, Mitre Road.
right now it is 4 miles per hour.
Turn left.
I'm going to take the next road, still 3 miles per hour. Mirror check and signal. See these 5 hazard lines in the middle of the road telling me that I'm approaching to a giveaway. Around the corner I can see double broken lines. It's a giveaway. So I'm going to approach slowly. Looking my right hand side and ahead and left. My speed is 1 miles per hour. Think about you guys, how much you do. Looking right, I cannot see right. I can see ahead and left. I'm going to move a little bit more forward. Stop. I cannot see clearly again. I will move a little bit more forward. I can see clearly now. Now I'm going to decide. Once again, I'm going to stop to explain to you. If any car comes now, I will stop here until I get a signal from the other cars to go. Otherwise, I will wait here. So I'm going to go away. Okay, pull up on the left hand side. Safe. So mirror check and signal. I'm going to position myself. If you guys look at me, maybe you're not able to see. I'm looking ahead. I'm not caring about it's a big pothole, doesn't matter, I'm slow down. So that's a perfect gap. I'm going to stop here. Parking brake, signal off. Okay, so you're going to do the parallel parking, go alongside this vehicle, stop, reverse back, try to finish within 2 car lengths, reasonable close to parallel with the curb. Do not worry about the driveway for on this occasion only. Going to move off from here. D, all round observation starting from left blind spot. There is a road behind me, so someone can come, so extra careful. So signal right, again check, safe to move, and I'm going to go alongside this vehicle, going wider from here. Slow speed, mirrors check again, and signal left again. So I'm not going to move too much forward. I'm going to move up to my reference point when my back is behind of this vehicle. Just going to stop and straight away reverse gear. At this moment I've got 3 signals on. One is the indicator, letting the other road users, especially the people in front of me, that I'm going to do activity here. A reverse gear light, white lights or light, could be 2 lights, could be 1 light. My car has 2 lights, telling the people behind that I'm reversing, and also the brake lights, people behind, telling them that I'm reversing. Only in front of me they can see the indicator that I'm going to do activity. I'm going to start the observation from the right blind spot. All round check mirrors, looking physically behind, it is safe. Just going to move tiny bit back and full lock to the left hand side. Look at the right blind spot. When I see my reference point and the mirror here, I'm going to stop here. All round check again. Back windscreen is safe. I'm going to straighten up my wheel while moving and looking behind any child behind me, so I need to move my body up and I can see. I'm just going to go back up to my understanding that it's a good gap. So I'm going to check right blind spot behind any child. Gonna move tiny bit more back and start steering to the right hand side. So I'm gonna do full lock to the right, making sure behind safe, and I'm gonna stop here. My car is straight. Parking brake and stop. So I've finished within 2 car lengths. Okay, I can clearly see good gap as well. So moving off from here now, going to D, all round check starting from the left blind spot. Right blind spot, it is safe. Signal checking again, ahead, back, safe. Start going and going. Right, my speed should be here such that if somebody open the door or move out or a child runs across the road, I can stop. My speed, at least at this moment, it is 13 miles per hour, 14. So open area, I will maybe a little bit faster, 15 miles per hour, 14. So think about you guys, how much you do in this area. 16 miles per hour. I'm driving in the middle of the road,
After
not to the left hand
yards,
side,
turn left.
because 2
Beresford
cars cannot
Avenue.
pass easily. I'm checking it is safe. No one is overtaking me, no oncoming vehicle, so I can use more area. So next road I'm turning left, so mirrors check now. It is safe. I'm gonna give signal now. I'm gonna start braking now. My speed is 14, 13. I'm going to go much slow, so I'm ready to stop just in case a big truck is coming out. I would not go further forward and then I feel, oh, that's not good gap, so I need to reverse back. So before I come out, I make sure, before I go into the road, sorry, I make sure it is safe. My speed is almost 0. I'm gonna gradually increase my speed. So you guys may notice that in this area, I'm more focusing on the safety than increasing my speed. So my speed around is
At the
14
end of
miles
the
per
road,
hour.
Turn right, Victoria Park Drive North. Then
Turning
cross
right,
the
so mirror check
roundabout
and signal.
and take the first exit.
So I'm not going quickly to the left hand side past this
Turn
subsection.
right,
My speed
then
is 8-9
cross
miles
the
per hour.
roundabout and
Checking
take
mirrors,
the first
center left,
exit.
making sure it's safe. I'm going to position myself here. I can see right inside, but left hand side is not clear. I will inch forward. My speed is 0 miles per hour. Stop. I'm moving my body forward so I can see a little bit more forward. Just look. A little bit more forward. I can see a vehicle coming, but I can go. So I can increase my speed. Gradually more speed. and then my speed is around 20 miles per
After
hour.
100 yards,
So left turn at the
cross
lights,
roundabout
mirror check
take
and
the
signal, and
first
start
exit,
gentle braking now.
Westland Drive.
There is a car far behind me, so I will start braking
Cross the
smoothly.
roundabout and take the
When the
first
stop
exit.
line disappears, I will move tiny bit forward and stop. When my lights are going to change, I can see the green light the other side. When it's going to amber and red, hope is going to be my turn now. All three mirrors check, and meanwhile D, green lights and go. Just watch the guys. Sometimes they don't bother you, although you're going your side to your side. Sometimes they cross your path and don't care. Okay, when I'm passing this obstruction, I'm going to check my center right mirror. I will go away from this vehicle, not passing too much nearby, so I can cross the center line when it is safe and when it is necessary.
Turn left.
So I'm going to check my mirrors now because I'm turning left. I'm positioning to the left hand side. I'm going to check my mirrors again. It is safe. Position myself properly. So I'm going to signal left now and start braking. My speed is 20 miles per hour.
Turn left.
19.
Then take the exit.
17, 16, 14, 11, 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I'm going to stop here. I can see the guys on my right hand side, those who are coming from right hand side and going there, that direction, their green light. I'm going to amber light now. Hope is going to be my turn now, so all three mirrors check. Meanwhile D, looking my filter light, is going to change, not filter light, night time. So I'm just going to go wider this time a little bit. Looking right, no one is coming, so gradually increasing my speed. Speed limit is 40, 10, 13, 16, 19, 20, 26, 27, 30, 33, 35, 36, 37,
After
39.
800 yards,
Okay.
take the exit.
There is a
A739
right hand lane is going to
towards Govan.
merge into the left hand side. So checking my center right mirror and have a quick glance on my right hand side. No one is going to join. Check again. So safe it is. Okay, center mirror check and start gentle braking. My speed is 29. 27 at sub bend. I'm not going to maintain it. 24, 22, 20. I will keep this 21, 22. So I'm gonna stay a little wider to the right hand side.
Take the exit.
My speed is 21.
A739 towards Govan.
So 320 yard is an exit left. My speed is 21 miles per hour. I'm staying a little bit right hand side just in case do not hit the curb. It's 180 yards. I'm going to check my center left mirror now. It is safe. It is 140 yards now. 120. I'm going to give signal now, so the people know behind. So the guy behind me is going to turn left. I'm going to use little brake. My speed is around 22 miles. I'm going to gradually increase my speed. Still, it's a 22 throughout this bend. These two bends. 24 now. 26 now. Maybe you guys will not be able to control that kind of speed. Okay, 22 it is now. Again, 21 it is. Okay, so downhill I need to go slower. 20 it is. I'm going to use a little brake. There is a joining, so I need to move my body. You can see, so mirrors and signal right. My speed is 18 miles per hour. Start looking to the right hand side. Keep looking right. Keep moving forward. Keep looking right. Moving forward. My speed is 16 miles per hour. Signal off. It's safe to join. 17 miles per hour. 18 miles per hour. 17, 16. I'm going to gradually increase my speed. I will check my right hand side. No one is joining. 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, and off gas because it's a downhill. So stay in my lane, do not change lane, 26 miles per hour, start gentle braking. 28, 27.
After 800 yards, take the exit, Govan Road.
27, 28, 27, 28. Checking my center mirror, making sure that this guy is not following me so closely, although I'm braking anyway. 27 off brake now and start little gas now. 28 miles per hour. Give more gas. 29 miles per hour. 29 it is. 28 it is.
Take the exit.
More gas. 29 because up will need more power. 26. Give more gas. So So I can play in between 27, 28, 29. So next road I'm going to turn left. It is 27 now. Mirrors check now. It is safe. Signal left now. Okay, just gonna reduce the pressure on gas. My speed is 22 miles per hour. 20 miles, 19. Gonna give more gas. 18, 19. 19 it is. Okay, SatNav says go right at the roundabout, take third exit, but is not mentioning that it's a give way to turn left. So mirror signal, because order sign says must turn left, it's a give way there. You can see the sign, I can see the road marking. Start looking to the right hand side. It is safe to go. So I'm turning right at the roundabout. So mirror check and signal. Roundabout will start after these traffic lights. So my speed is 14 now. So now roundabout enter, first exit there, second there. 14 miles per hour speed, green lights, mirror check and signal left now. Signal left again and stay in the middle of the lane. Mirror check and signal is already on, so check mirrors again. Okay, signal off straight away. I need to move this hand, leave it freely. I cannot see clearly. I'm going to go a little slower. My speed is 14, 13. Now I can see clearly. Maybe guys, you will have parked vehicles here, you have to go more slower. I'm going to increase my speed and staying more right inside, keeping a door length away. I can cross the center line. My speed is 21 miles per hour. This sign could be on, flashing light, so it could be 20 miles per hour. My speed is 20 miles per hour now anyway. 21 it is. So next door turning right, mirrors check, it is safe. Signaling right. Gentle braking now, keeping my position near to the center line. Double check by side mirror. If someone is turning left, they have enough room. My speed is around 3 miles per hour. This guy has enough room on my left hand side, he can pass. Looking right, left, there is a pedestrian coming. He's going to block that guy, so I can go if it is safe on the right side. This is a blocker for me, so this is a protection for me, so I can go. So he's not even moved from there, so I'm okay to increase my speed. My speed here is 18 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, 21. Just checking center mirror off gas and little brake because it's a hump and pedestrian crossing, so just watch no one is coming. My speed is around 13 miles per hour. Start giving gas. I'm gonna increase my speed 30 miles, but 30 is the speed limit anyway. Mine is 21. So pull up somewhere safe on the left. So mirror check and signal. There is a junction on my right hand side. I'm gonna pass this junction. I'm gonna pass this vehicle as well. So I'm just gonna check my mirrors again. I'm gonna position a little bit to the left hand side, steer, little steer out, wait for the steering, and start steering back. Make sure my car is straight and then stop. Parking brake, signal off, move off when you're ready. D, left blind spot check. Someone is approaching me behind, so maybe I would slow him down, so better to wait. After this, there is a guy coming, but he's little far, and it has a hump as well, so that guy will slow down. So I'm gonna pick up my speed, checking my blind spot. I'm just going to increase my speed. My speed is 22. You may notice that I have not achieved the 30 miles per hour when it is too tight and humps and all these things. So you guys need to drive the same like that. So you don't need to worry about this. So this guy is going to slow down, stop. I don't have a giveaway, they will have a giveaway. Two-way road, turning right at the roundabout.
After 200 yards,
200 yards it is. Why not check mirrors now? It is safe. Nearby this road, 150 yards, 30 yards signal, around 100 yards now. Start slowing down. My speed is 22, 21. Looking right, 17, 15, 16. Okay, I'm going to slow down more and stop because there is a car coming. After this, I'm going to roll. My speed is 0, 1, 2, speed increase. First exit, fourth exit, I'm taking right. So that's the second exit. Signal turn off, then I will turn it on. So this is third exit. I'm going to little slow. My speed is 14 miles per hour. Mirrors check and signal. My speed is 13 miles per hour. And signal off. My speed is 16 now. I'm gradually increase the speed. So I can see there is a joining right hand side. Mirror check and signal. Position near to the right hand side a little bit. Utilize this 40 mile per hour is the speed limit. Utilize the slip road to increase the speed. So I can see nothing. Okay, I can gradually change my lane. So it says that take the next exit. My speed is 36, 37, 38, 39.
After 300
Okay,
yards,
30 miles per hour
turn
speed
left,
ahead. So check the
then
center mirror and
turn
start
left.
into braking now. 36, 34, 33, 32, 30, 29. Off brake. 28, 27. Mirrors and signal.
Bear left. Moss
Start
Road.
positioning to the
Then
left hand side.
Turn left.
My speed is 25, 24, 23. And signal off.
After 200
Red
yards,
lights. So checking my
turn
center mirror,
left,
start showing the brake
Government Road.
lights. There's a car behind, so I'm showing the brake lights. My speed is 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So start giving gas now. So next road turning left. Mirrors check now. That is safe. Signal. On the new road, use right hand lane.
Turn
This
left.
lane goes left, right lane goes straight and right. On my right hand side, they are not allowed to go left. And I have a filter light as well. I'm just going to stop somewhere here so I can see. Parking brake. Do not dazzle the people behind because it's a night time, dark. So if I press the brake pedal, they will feel dazzled. So off brake, foot brake off, just use the parking brake. I can see the lights in front of me, the other side. If they got green lights, I will not be able to go. I'm not allowed to go anyway. When those lights will change, so hopefully after that is going to be my turn. I can see still those who are going that way, they have a green lights. I can see sides, side of those green. So that lights are changing. So I'm going to get ready now. All three mirrors check and D. I'm going to watch my filter light. Hope is going to turn soon. Okay, filter light, all three mirrors check again. Okay, have a look on right hand side. My speed is 4, 5, 6. I'm going to target right hand side, 8 miles per hour. Checking my mirror right one as well. 10 miles per hour, 11. Okay, 12, 13, off gas. 13 miles per hour. Going slowly. I need to go slowly so they move and then I go. 10 miles per hour. I just off gas, I did not use the brake. 14 miles per hour. 19 miles per hour. I have already crossed the stop line. I'm halfway, so lights are changing. I cannot stop. Green lights. So 22. I'm already slowed down. If the lights change now, I'm not going to stop now. So my speed is 24. Checking my center left mirror. No one is using left hand lane just in case. So to go a little bit to the left. 24 miles per hour. My speed is 25, 26, 27. Good speed. 29. That's good speed. 28 miles per hour. Good gap as well. If the gap is less, then I will not care about increasing the speed. I will go much slower. 26 miles per hour. 27. 26. 26. Says that you're going to take the next
After
road left.
300 yards,
It looks
turn
like there's a
left,
truck
Rockmore
parked there,
Road.
so I'm not
Then
sure it is
you have
before the
reached
junction
your
or after the
destination on
junction.
your right.
So just that's why I'm going to stay in this lane. So it looks like it's before the junction. So it's 170 yards turning left. So mirrors check now. Safe. Around 100 yards now. Signaling. And start slowing down.
Turn
My
left,
speed is
then
20,
you have reached your
19,
destination
18,
on your right.
14, 13, 12, 10, 8, 9, 9. It is 9 now. Yeah. I can drive on this keep clear, but I cannot pull up and park on this keep clear because vehicles, big lorries coming out from right hand side, they need more room. So I'm just going to follow the road round right towards the test center. So I'm checking my right hand side.
After
No
100
car is
yards,
approaching.
you have reached your
Don't need to give
destination
signal
on your
anyway.
right.
So I'm just going to go a little wider, so leaving enough room for a big truck. Okay, next road you're turning right into the test center. So mirror check and signal. Make sure when you're entering into this test center, do not rush because people, maybe the vehicles coming very fast in front of you. So start steering and staying my own side. Imagine that I'm going into the test center. So that is the end of the mock test and demonstration drive. If you guys got any questions, you can ask me before I stop this live. So I'm just going to stop this one.